Hi everyone, I am Avantika Singh, a high school senior in Lagos, Nigeria, and a very enthusiastic person. And I am your host on the Sapphire for this week. So let's begin. We begin by giving a countdown of the articles that have been published this week at the Teen Pop magazine. We started off the week with the mind acknowledging the various laws of the world with Gauri Singh's agonizing pollution and Yugmi Gidya, the disturbing and terrifying realization. Then, as the week proceeded, we became more optimistic about life with An Ironic World by Tansi Singarapu, Shining Rays of Hope by Guneev Kaur, and Powerful Cultures and Traditions in India by Tansi Singarapu again. This transition from the bad times to the good ones is also exhibited in an album battle I took part in with Kushi Joshi, as we battled as representatives of different artists whose albums released on the same day. I represented Why Don't We's album The Good Times and the Bad Ones, whereas Kushi Joshi represented Zayn Malik's album Nobody Is Listening, which released on the same day, 15th of January. A series writer, Riddhi Bhattacharya and Sarim Hamid, also continue their series with an exciting account of traveling in Paris and best ways to increase your internet speed respectively. Finally, we have the best article of the week, A Promising Life by Guneev Kaur. Guneev will now be joining us for a small chat. How are you, Guneev?
I'm pretty well, thank you. How about you, Avantika?
I'm doing amazing as well, thank you so much. What inspired you to write this article?
Actually, to be transparent enough, I would tell that I'm associated with a writing community named as the Profound Writers. And as a general, it was given to us as a project to write upon. And in a time span of around 10 or at the max 15 minutes, I jotted down everything that was in my mind. I went it down all the
Well, that's amazing. So, what is the message you're trying to convey with your article?
The main message that I'm trying to convey is that life is a huge benediction to us from his side, and in this life we should make it that what we make life is what life is. In life, we should always be original. There's no way of copying others, copying how many times we'll do that. So we should enjoy each and every moment of life. Life is black and white, and no doubt it's colorful at times.
Yes,
So
that
our
I
main aim should be to
completely
enjoy the life and of course to earn the midnight soil.
Yes, I completely agree with you. Life is full of ups and downs, and we have to keep going and conquering. That's amazing. So, the last year has been extremely tough on all of us, and we went through more worries and troubles than usual. How do you think this impacted our lives and mental health?
Exactly. No doubt it impacted our lives and of course our mental health. But if you ask personally for me, I would say that this COVID-19 was a huge benediction for me. My career of a professional writer, before I used to write with that used to be just a kiddie sort of like period of lockdown or in this period of last year.
Okay, that's amazing. So, I see
I
you've benefited.
improved myself. I continued writing more further, and it has been
Yes,
helpful to
I
me.
see.
And yeah, it
Yeah.
has affected us mentally. Like we were not able to meet anyone, or we will not go into our schools.
I see. It
So
has
that's the
impacted
impact
me
I see, especially
also,
on the young kids.
and it has impacted everyone, to be honest. The whole world was
Yes,
shook. So, to you, what are some
yes.
key ways to remain optimistic and look at the brighter side of life?
I would say that we should always keep trying and we should focus on the target, and of course, then only we can hit our bullseye. And no matter what the circumstances, we should never feel disheartened. And we should always learn from our failures because we can't ever learn from our success. So he can never learn anything. So we should always keep trying So, and this word afterwards should not be there in our dictionaries, because if we'll say that afterwards, that we'll be procrastinating just like anything. And like, I'll do it later, or I'll do it afterwards, that later or afterwards, that will never come. Because now is the time, and today is the day to do it. As it's already said, that yesterday is a cancelled check and tomorrow is a promising note. Today is the only cash that we have.
That's an amazing line, Guneev. Very well said. So now, Guneev, we will be playing a quick game, which is known as the 5-second rule. I have a timer here and I will set the timer to 5 seconds the moment I say the question. I will ask you a question and you will have to reply with three things that fit the question I asked. For example, if I were to ask you what are the three colors in the rainbow, you could answer any of the three colors of the rainbow, and that too within 5 seconds. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Looking forward.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so I have my timer here with me right now, and so your first question is three things that keep you going in life.
My books, which are I would say that they are my soulmate, then writing, and the next is my family.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, next question. Three things that are funny.
For me, that's reading. That's the most fun that I can say, and of course playing and
Your time's up.
playing.
It's okay. It's okay. We have three more questions to go.
I
Three
answered
things.
this one also.
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. Like 7 seconds are not really too much, so it's fine. Don't worry.
All
Three
right.
things that mean happiness to you.
That's writing, reading, and being with my family and friends.
That's amazing. That's wonderful. Three apps that you use.
Three apps that I use. They are Codes Creator, of course, WhatsApp, and nowadays I think Zoom
And
is the
your
way to go out.
time's up. I'm sorry.
I
No,
answered
it
this
has.
question.
I know you answered, but then when you were saying like the second thing, it got over. Second, it just got over. It's
Well,
fine.
okay, okay, okay.
Um, three words to describe you as a person.
Enthusiastic and avid reader, and optimistic person.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for joining us today, Guneet. It was amazing talking to you.
Same here. Same here. It was a pleasure. Was all mine to talk to you, Avantika.
Yes, that's amazing. So now, in case you haven't, check out the press release of Taylor Castro's song "Breathe," which is not even playing in the background, and the interview with makeup artist Freya Berman, NGO founders Riti and Roshni from Stories Told Through Movement, and Bollywood singer Fuhu Gracia at theteenpop.com. Finally, if you would wish to join us as a writer, interviewer, designer, or NGO who wishes to be part of Grow with Teen Pop campaign, check out our website at theteenpop.com. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Sapphire, hosted by fellow writers, and I will see you again soon. Thank you so much.